teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to you all. This is Abishma from grade 9, section Einstein. Today, I would like to deliver a short speech here in the assembly on the topic of your attitude determines your altitude. So, our attitude is the way we think, act, and face challenges in life. A positive attitude gives us strength, confidence, and courage to move forward even in difficult situations. Success doesn't depend only on talent or luck, but on how we respond to problems. When we believe in ourselves and never give up, we can reach great heights. A negative attitude pulls us down, while a positive attitude lifts us up. So, let's develop positive attitude, work hard, and believe in our abilities because our attitude truly determines our altitude. Thank you. Have a good day, all of you.